Welcome to SmartOrder. The SmartOrder application is for use in conjunction with the iiko POS solution. It enables waiters to take orders from the table side and then process these to the kitchen printers or the kitchen video screens used within iiko. Tables can be shared between both iiko and the SmartOrder solution. Within the SmartOrder solution, there are parameter settings. This enables the setup of SmartOrder to link to the main till within the iiko solution. Here you can see we can have things such as the fixed IP address of the main till point, plus also to make settings such as security passwords to protect the application, when it turns off, time lock of the screen, scaling of items, and what buttons get shown within the solution. Within the main SmartOrder, the PIN codes that are used within the iiko solution can also be used within SmartOrder. For example, if I log in, I can see my waiter name there at the top left. So within this area of SmartOrder, I can see the tables that are used within the iiko solution and also the locations they are split into. Here, for example, I can see my tables within the bar, my outside bar area, and my room area within my restaurant. Other functions in here, I can also see any reservations that are upcoming or banquets that have been booked through the iiko system. I can choose to see other types of orders, but also whether tables are empty or actually in use. Any of the notifications that come through to iiko are also shown here as well. Like, for example, at the top of the screen, the items are ready in the kitchen and the waiter can take them. With the operation, we can take a table, we can enter the number of guests, and then we can enter the items for the number of guests. The menu on the iiko solution is replicated on the SmartOrder solution. On the right-hand side, we can see the breakdown of our menu groupings. For example, if I want to choose drinks, I can navigate to my items. The items are shown exactly the same way as they're shown in the iiko solution, with buttons either being color-coded or showing images of the products. Items can also have their own modifier sizes as well, once again brought through by the iiko solution. The modifiers can be shown in the same way as iiko. So, for example, where I look at hot drinks, I'm using the building style menu where we could be changing size and also additional modifiers and making additions to the product as we go along. I can choose another guest and add additional items to that guest. When the order is completed, we have the option here now to say print all. This will print all the items that have just been placed on the order through to the kitchen printer or the kitchen video screens in iiko. Or the waiter can choose individual items and print those instead. So just the highlighted ones will go through. Or we can choose all the items in the order, selected items, and tell them to print. Once the items have gone through, they change color. So you can see there, we've changed to a black, which means the items have been processed and have gone off to the kitchen. The tables also change color as well, depending on what's going on. So a green table means that the items are ready and they can be served to the table. Black table means that the items have been placed on the table and have gone through for preparation. We can see here the number of guests on the table and also the current value of the table as well. I can pick up an existing table and I can add more items. This can be a combination of food and drink. Again, once the order is ready to go, we can tell it to print and the table stores ready for the next part of the operation. The waiter can sign off, and again, through the waiter signing in, could be a different PIN code, we get back to the view of our tables and the current preparation process. Picking up on an existing table, we can continue to add items, or we can print the guest bill for the table. This can go to either a mobile printer or a dedicated printer in the iiko system. When a table is printed, the table shows as red, meaning that the guest has had their bill and they're due to vacate soon. We can also go into a printed table where we can see the guest has had the bill and we can pay this off. And payment types can be brought through from the iiko solution. This could be cash or card. We can choose the payment type. We can choose how we're going to pay this, cash for example. We can choose the amount and add it into the bill. And we can even split tender. So this could be part cash and part card, or part another type, or even put tips into here as well at the same time. Finalising the bill, paying it off and clearing the table, not only in the SmartOrder, but also in the iiko solution as well. The SmartOrder app makes it easy for your waiters to service your guests quick and easily at the table side, taking the order and ensuring that the items go through to the relevant printers for preparation. If you'd like to know more about SmartOrder, you can find the contact details in the About section of the app.